What's up guys, Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the Cobra Tech CTK-1 or Black CTK-1 small variant. So let's begin. So we got the case itself. Basically, if you saw my review of the Stonewash, lightweight Stonewash, this is basically kind of had the, but this one kind of had the same deal. But this one's a little smaller than the Stonewash, which, yeah, you could probably know. And this one, on the other hand, is the SB. So this one right here would say SBCTK-1 SD and S. So let me see. This one's basically of small black cobra or CTK-1S, like basically, yeah, it's basically must be a small drop point, no seriated, and here are the numbers itself. Yeah, I'm not gonna read the whole thing again. And another thing I will not be reading again, but I will be showing you the authentications on this is from, have this one here. This one says AN. Meanwhile, on the other side, it's basically have 497074 registration number. So that's kind of the same deal here. The sheath is pretty much a smaller version of it. This one has nylon with the rubberized, basically with the cheap leather, with the piece of leather on this one. Sewn in on this. Of course, you got the Cobra Tech logo here. Of course, the belt loop right here, and you can take it off. And you can actually remove by taking off the Velcro. And of course, the buckles right here. Of course, this one here. Funny part about it here, I actually accidentally bought the drop point version, not the one that I was actually originally going to get was the Tantal point. Yeah, there's actually multiple variants of the thing. You got things like the drop point, one with the seriated, double-edged, another one I definitely do want to get, and of course the one I was getting is the Tantal point. I think I must have accidentally bought the drop point version, so, that's okay. Of course, the blade itself is made of D2 steel. There's the Cobra Tech logo here. Big ol' basically holes that goes basically going smaller every time it goes up. Of course, you got the Cobra Tech knives right here. Cobra Tech logo. A big ol' scales that's basically going downwards with the basically down arrows. Big ol' lines carved in. Another one goes carved in here, and it goes downwards. Basically, big giant holes caved in. Basically one line going this way, and then there's another one going downwards to the logo and to the other side. And then we got the lines going bigger every time, basically going all waved to downwards. There's nothing on the side, so there's no jimping on that one. This one's made from the same aluminum scale handle, alongside with the double lever itself. Of course, you got the clip also had the Cobra Tech logo right here. This one's also have a glass breaker tip. Yeah, that's the glass breaker tip it came with. Unlike the lightweight. So the size itself, the CTK is around the blade is around about of like basically 4 3/4 or no 2 3/4. Meanwhile, for the handle and once closed, it's around about of 4/4. Meanwhile, for the overall size is around about, let's see, and to let's say the 6 3/4. So let's test the bad boy out. So the results up there is, whoa, look at that thing. Yeah, it actually was like almost cut through the bottle, which is pretty insane. And then the second strike basically just finished the bottle itself. That's a pretty insane deal about it. So just like the Cobra Tech lightweight stonewash, which is, if you check that one out, that's a pretty good one here. This one's kind of a bit of a pretty decent priced version of a Microtech Ultratech. I don't have one just yet, but if I get my hands on that, I'll probably will do a video to that guy. But it's a pretty decent OTF for a decent price. Yeah, this is another one of those $60 piece I've purchased. So I give the Cobra Tech CTK Black, or small CTK Black, an astounding of a 8 out of 10. It's a pretty small knife, but don't let the size fool you by this. So that wraps up it's a decent, like, pretty small piece of all things. And I actually just mentioned with the Stonewash lightweight, it is a lot better to buy something, a pretty decent price knife, than buying a knockoff clone. So that wraps up the Cobra Tech small CTK Black, CTK-1 Black. I'm Artillboy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.